welcome back to Fins to Feathers. This is just a quick overview of our 1939 Ford Deluxe project that we're working on. A lot of really neat new old stock pieces on this build. We got just a lot of fine details in it. We're not going to get into all those details today. We're just going to give you a good overview of the car and show you just kind of what we got going on with it. And we'll have another video coming soon that really gives you a little more detail on it. But we hope you guys enjoy.
Alright, so this is our latest project, 1939 Ford Deluxe. It's got a 41 Mercury engine in it. This is a engine come from Canada. It's a rare Mercury truck engine. It's factory sleeved, it's factory relieved. And supposedly these engines had I guess the metal composite or the thickness of the cylinder walls or something was supposed to be a little more cold resilient than the engines in the North America region. So these Canadian Merc engines are really desirable. This one is pretty much a stock engine as far as the engine goes, with the exception of we got of course the Potvin 425 Eliminator cam in it. But other than that, other than our mods that we use to, we modify it, we specialize in taking antique engines and modifying them, making them where you can drive them down the interstate. So this is a really great example of our latest build that we got going on right now. It's still in those, building stages.
We have going on here is we also have a steering wheel from Steering Wheel Chris from the West Coast. We actually have another wheel that he's done for us, and he did a great job on that as well. He made us a horn button for the other wheel that we got going on. We also have the shift knob that he made for us as well, and you'll be seeing a lot more of these pieces as we put everything together. But that's definitely one of the cool features of this car. Yankee 960 right next to it there. Well guys, that about sums it up for this overview on our 39 Ford Deluxe. We hope you had as much fun checking it out as we did sharing it with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have a lot more builds coming down the road. A lot of cool hot rod shenanigans coming down the pike as well. So, follow along with us and catch some of our adventures.
That one's still warm. That's the one she just laid.
Thanks, Dottie.
Thanks, Dottie.